Bitcoin and Ethereum Analysis September 12, 2022. Rear up. The crypto bulls got back on their feet again last Friday, and purposefully maneuvered the course northward. While the Bitcoin invalidated our primary wave count in the course of this, and we had to make our alternative to the new primary scenario, the movements in the Ethereum are still absolutely within the scope of our primary expectation. We primarily assume that the Bitcoin should imminently orient itself downwards again, in order to expand the low of the yellow wave number 2, in the orange target zone between $16,832 and $10,363. Thus, the price should dive a little deeper into our blue trading area, sketched on the daily chart, which extends from $27,816 at the upper edge, to $10,988 at the lower edge. As is known, you can use this at any time to deposit long-term positions in this value. Once Bitcoin has expanded its bottom, we see it sustainably returning above the resistances at $26,591 and $32,503, and subsequently marching towards the all-time high at $68,958. However, as mentioned in previous updates, we have created an alternative route for our crypto leader in the chart, which enables him to realize the direct breakout, accordingly without new lows. You can see from our alternative chart that the price in this alternative scenario would have closed the blue wave II, just above the 88.70 retracement, at $18,480 and thus already be in the wave of the same color III. This should push the price back above the $24,693 level, and further into the also blue zone between $29,879 and $34,207. In the past few trading days, Ethereum was able to move up a little further from its blue target zone, between $1,456 and $1,013. Due to the fact that the coin has met our minimum requirement for the associated, and therefore also blue wave II, with the, albeit narrow, approach to the zone mentioned, this movement could of course already be completed. However, we are not yet primarily assuming that the story is already over here, so we expect that the course should turn down imminently, and dive a little deeper into the target zone. Once Ethereum has done that, the next thing on the agenda is a breach of the resistance at $2,029 before it should finish the blue wave III, in the same colored target zone on the upside, coordinates, $2,982, $3,420. Alternatively, there is still the possibility that the coin would like to expand a new correction low, and we consider this to be 40% likely at the moment. In this case, the price, as outlined on our alternative chart, would dive significantly deeper into the large yellow target zone, coordinates, $1,743, $589, to reach the low of the yellow wave number 2, in the blue zone, between $906 and $666, within this zone. As a result, it should also go massively north here. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.